Hey guys, quick question. Do you love to sew but frequently find yourself overwhelmed, scattered, maybe even a little bit lonely? I know that I have definitely found myself in those situations. There are times when I'm working on a project and I'm frustrated. I don't understand the instructions and I get to the point where I just put it aside and never finish it. Or on the flip side, I've learned a new technique. I've actually finished my project and then I turn around and I don't have anybody to share in the excitement with me. That is exactly why we started Sewing with Cinnamon, and I'd love to invite you to join us. It is an amazing community of seamstresses at all levels of sewing and from around the world. So you get to jump right in and connect with people. We explore techniques and topics. We do sew-alongs, and there's pattern hacks and tutorials shared. People are learning new things and sharing what they know. So it is a great environment to really just grow in our passion for sewing together. The group is just $14.99 a month, and with that you get a coupon code for a free Liberty Jane pattern. You get access to the Sewing Academy, which is a full video course, which is great for a beginner or just something you can use to brush up on your sewing skills. You also get access to a prior topic and techniques and tutorials that have been taught the month prior to when you join. There's so much to learn and there's so much to share. I frequently hear people that say, I've been sewing for 40 years and yet I'm still learning something new. So again, I'd love to invite you to join us. Jump on over to the website to get all the information and learn how to join the Sewing with Cinnamon community.